Guys, this is a video showcasing version 11, the holiday update in a Model S 100D 2019 with the portrait screen here instead of the landscape and the newer ones. So this is kind of what it looks like after the update. Nothing different really. And this is kind of how when I drive, how I like my screen. I like the maps up top. I like my backup camera here, and then I'll have the sound or audio here, and then we'll flip this down, and this is how we'll drive. So I was hoping that Tesla would do the same kind of situation in the Model X with the landscape, where basically this could be over here, this could be on top, and then you could have the audio down below. But we'll see if they do that. I'm going to definitely send a tweet out and see. So this is version 11. Let's go through anything new. So here's the bottom bar. There's obviously not as much real estate on the bottom as there is on in the portrait as there is in the landscape. So you only get three, or we get four. We get four favorite icons, and only one or two of the most recent icons here. So here's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and click on our car. And here's our controls. So pretty much almost all the same as before. Not noticing anything too different. Pedals and steering. Suspension. Charging. Autopilot. In this one we have advanced autopilot, or enhanced autopilot, I think they call it. It's just no longer an option in vehicles. So I'm able to do the automatic blinker, navigate an autopilot on this one, even though I don't have full self-driving on this one, which is kind of cool. Inside the vehicle, we have the walk-away door locks. Everything looks the same as far as I can see. Lights, display. Trips, navigation, safety, service. Not going in the software, we have upgrades. That's controls, nothing special there. Let's go into our dock here. So here's our heat controls. So both sides does get the quick controls, right? It's getting rather warm in here now. And if you just click on here like this, you get the full controls. So here's our heated steering wheel, keep dog, camp mode, all your heated seats, bioweapon defense schedule, heated seats again, defrosters and all that. So nothing special. What else we got here? Here's obviously your music up and down, volume up and down. And let's go into the dock here. Here's all the apps that are available, dash cam, toy box, blah, 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 blah. Any one of these can be moved down here if you want. So let's go into toy box and see what we get inside the 2019 Model S 100D. I guess, I don't know if they call it long range or whatever. So we get emissions, which is the fart thing, tracks, romance, sketch, Mars, and Santa. That's all we get. We don't get the light show in this one. Oh, and we also get submarine and rainbow road. Nothing special. There we go. And then we got theater mode. So this one got Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok also came in here as well. For arcade, we got Polytopia, Sonic, Sudoku, Skyforce Solitaire, Cat's Quest, Fallout Shelter, Stardew Valley, Backgammon, Cuphead, Beach Buggy Racing, Chess, 2042, Asteroids, Centipede, Super Breakout, Lunar Lander, Missile Command, Millipede, Tempest, and Gravitar. These here I didn't see inside the Model X. It stopped here at 2048. Unless I didn't pull it over. I will have to check it out, but I didn't see that in there. In the toy box, there we are. Browser. I'm not gonna go browser. The browser in here is not as fluid as the one in the Model X. That's for sure. What else we got going on here? Anything else? We can go into streaming if you want to look at that. That's what we got. Let's go inside of here. Now we can adjust our subwoofer. Auto. Immersive sound, it can be set to auto. Yeah, nothing really super duper special. I know a lot of people have been complaining about stuff, but I really don't know why, because all my controls in here are still exactly the same where they've been at. There's not really anything that I'm having a hard time with. Like getting used to. Everything seems about the same. We do not get the blinker blind spot camera when you blinker in this one. So this is our Model S 100D 2019. This is Dark Phoenix. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Until the next one.